Hi everybody, Pierre from Reception Academy. Today we are going to discuss our exercise number 2 correction from our study guide.
Please note, this tutorial video has been designed for students taking the Opera PMS home study course. If you don't have already access to the software, you could find more information about the course on our website. I have added the course link to the video description below, and you could get Opera PMS installed and tag along. You just have to click on book now.
So for this exercise, I have prepared a booking under the name of Paul Diamond. Let me just find it for you, and let me open the reservation. So the first task was done in the booking creation. Your guest wanted a discounted rate, which was a non-flexible rate. For that, you had to select an advance purchase rate. Now, to get it, you had to book a room arriving in at least 3 weeks' time. So we are on the 4th of May at the moment, 2020, and you see the date I selected is the 3rd of June, so more than 3 weeks. And if you click on the red code drop-down menu here, you could have selected any of the advanced purchase rates, so AP, APBB, or APDBB. You see, the name is always advanced purchase in all of them. Right, I go back to this one and I press OK, and I'm back on the booking. Your guest wants an extra bed in the room, so for that you have to go to Item Inventory, just here, create a new request, and you want it to go to your item code and select the extra bed, just here. Then for the full stay, you could have changed the date if required, quantity 1 extra bed is fine. You press OK to validate your request, press OK again to go back to your reservation, and here you want to press Save. When you save, the system will offer you to create a trace. That's to inform the department to deliver the item upstairs, so we say yes. And here you see there is a trace for housekeeping to inform them that on the date of arrival, an extra bed is required to the room. Now the item inventory will book it, because we don't have so many extra beds, so we block one. And the traces will send the message to the department to deliver it upstairs. Something else you wanted to do, you wanted to go to features to ensure that the room is big enough to fit an extra bed. So you have to put a cross here and press OK. Now the system asks you, would you like to attach it to the profile? Quite likely no, because your guest will not travel and want an extra bed every single time he stays with us. So say no, you don't need it for future stay. And save. For the next task, your guest wants a non-smoking room for every stay. To add it, go to Preferences, just on top of Comments, click on the drop-down menu, select Smoking Preferences, and he wanted a non-smoking room, so don't forget to add a cross, and press OK. The system asks you, would you like to attach it to the profile? We want it for every stay, so we say yes, and we save. Your guest wants the XXXXX magazine for this day only, and we can be creative in terms of names and time of delivery and so on and so forth. So to start, you wanted to click on Options, you wanted to go to Traces, because it's a specific request for the concierge. Then you click on New, and you select concierge. If you know the code, you can type it in. Alternatively, you could have clicked on the drop-down menu. And here you write down the message. So please arrange, let's say Reception Academy magazine to be delivered to the room prior to arrival. And then you click on OK to validate your trace. You close your panel, and eventually you close the option panel, and you press Save. Your guest would like to check in at 8 PM. So what you wanted to do, go to arrival time, type in 2000 in the time, because it works in 2400 format. And you wanted to go to your specials and inform the department that it is a late arrival that will be picked on the report. And press OK. Now the system asks you, would you like it to attach it to the profile for future occasion? No, it's a one-off. Save. Your guest is allergic to bananas. You wanted to record it to the profile. So you click on the profile ellipsis. And because an allergy happens all the time, you want to remember it for future occasions. So click on options once you're in the profile, and you wanted to make a profile note. Select the department. So in our case, that would be food and beverage. That's okay. Then you type in the title, allergy. And here you write down, guest is allergic to bananas. You want to select guest is allergic to bananas and copy it by pressing Ctrl and C. Press OK. Close. And then you want to go back to your booking by pressing OK on your profile. Once you're here, you want also to copy that profile note into a trace. So for that you click on Option, and then Traces and New. Now, quick ways to just type in F&B for the food and beverage department, which englobe kitchen, restaurant, bar, and so on and so forth. All the department of food and beverage. And here you want to do Ctrl and V. So the profile note is for future occasions. The traces will be added to every booking because the department needs to be aware and they need to resolve it eventually. Press OK and close. And close your option panel and save. Please greet guests with a high five on arrival. So to make it happen, go to options, select alert, which is our pop-up message option. Here you want it to select greeting. It's okay. Arrival check-in, and you want it to free type your message. So please greet guest with a high five on arrival. Okay, here we are. And then what you wanted to do, you press OK. And then you close, as you can see, the request has been made. And you close your panel and you save. Finally, your guest will be in the restaurant from 5 till 8 o'clock. Because we know the location and the time, it is a locator. Click on Options. Select your locator tool. And here you want it to type in the time, so 1700 and 2000, and then you want it to go to your ellipsis and well, make your life easy. Select guest is in the bar and we just type restaurant instead, making it faster for yourself. And to finalize this, you just have to press OK, close, and save. This brings the correction of exercise number 2 to an end. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.